Hey guys, and welcome back to NoBlandMakeup, where we do makeup and body paint tutorials, usually with a cosplay twist. Today is a continuation of my World Cup series, and we're doing Germany today. This look was almost a hot mess. But I'll get into that later. Just so you guys know, today's video is sponsored by me, but we'll also get into that in a little bit. I make some very strange faces at 8 o'clock in the morning. That's when I started recording this. But we're going to start off, since this is pretty much an eyeliner look, I'm just going to take some brown eyeshadow and put this all over the lid. This one is closer to my skin color, a little bit darker. It was the closest I had. It is what it is. And this is where the mess started. So this is my second go around on this eye. I had to clean up and literally just remove my first attempt, not because it was bad, but because I made the other side too thick, and then I tried to fix it, and no, concealer does not work here to clean this up. Just literally get a cotton round with some makeup remover. I swear it will be so much easier. But basically what I did is almost like a cut crease. I just drew black line over my crease. If you have more hooded eyes or smaller eyes, you definitely want to keep checking in the mirror, looking straight ahead, just to make sure you'll actually see the line. That's something that I've had to come to grips with. Yes, I noticed that the other eye is still messed up. I fixed it later, don't worry. But I went ahead and applied some red liner. I did this as a regular wing like I normally would. Now, if you are new to this series, my goal is to keep the colors of the flag in the correct order so you can still tell it is that flag. Yeah, so that should explain a lot. But this was the easier part, to be completely honest, doing the winged eyeliner. And then just to keep this a little more artsy-fartsy, because as much of a pain as this look actually was, I like it a lot. I applied some gold on the lower lash line and kind of winged it out almost like a circular wing, I guess. Not really. I don't know. I just curved it a little bit. I made it a little bit longer than everything else. I thought it looked cute. I'm going with it. I'm not changing it. And then, because apparently I thought this look didn't have enough oomph, I went in and applied some lashes. These are pretty long. You can use shorter ones if you want, that's really up to you, but I'll have a full video on how to apply those lashes linked in the cards up above. And then right after, I applied some mascara. If you want to know why, there's that video I put up there. You can go check that out. Now for the lip color, you can basically do whatever you want. I decided to go with what I call your lips but better kind of color. It's just like a nude pink. But with this look, since it's pretty simple looking, you can basically get away with whatever color you want. And like I mentioned earlier, this video is sponsored by me. I have a merch store, so if you guys want to get some cool t-shirts and stickers and other stuff, I'll have the link for that down below. It really helps out the channel when you guys do that, so if you want to, I would really appreciate it. But this is the final look. I actually liked it. Granted, this was kind of a pain in the butt to do, mostly because of that top black line, but I like how it came out. It's definitely something a little different than what I've been doing for a few of the other countries. Yeah. But if you have a flag that has the tricolors, you can always switch them out and use this for basically any flag that you wanted to. Just a thought. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely did. It was a challenge, and I like those. If you did like this video though, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to see what comes out of my channel next, and let me know in the comments down below how far you think that Germany is going to go in the World Cup this year. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!